Hey guys, we're at the harbor right now because we're leaving Bali.
We're already on the boat going to Nusa Penida. All our friends told us that the rain season is the worst time to visit this island, but we still want to see it on our own eyes. We just got to our hotel. It's a small family-owned hotel, and it seems like we're the only guests. More than that, even the only tourists in Nusa Penida. Let's get inside. Today we stay in this room.
It's a very small one, but it's got everything we need. As we're going to explore island a lot, we're not going to spend too much time here anyway. Hey guys, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Yesterday we had to stay at our hotel because it was raining the whole evening, but now we are ready and heading off to the most popular place in Nusa Penida. Finally got down to the Kelingking beach, and the whole hike from up down was totally worth it, as this place is just super beautiful. There is no one at the beach right now. We're just alone by ourselves, and we came here to make a few photos, and I'm pretty sure they're going to be incredible.
It's 9 o'clock and we are alone at Kelingking beach. This doesn't happen too often, so we're enjoying this a lot. It's definitely gonna be a highlight of our trip, but the biggest adventure is still ahead of us.
Hey guys, right now we're heading to maybe the most adventurous thing we've ever done in our lives. Today we're going to swim with mantas. Loved it. We saw mantas today. We were swimming with fish and it was just a great experience. So much fun.
We decided to finish our day at Crystal Bay.
Weather isn't spoiling us today. It's very cloudy, but we still hope to see sunset. Even if we will not, we're still going to enjoy this beautiful evening here.
What's up guys, today is our last day at Nusa Penida. We woke up at 4 AM to go and catch sunrise at Diamond Beach.
Ready?
Not sure.
We came here at 6 in the morning. Now it's 8 AM and we still have it all to ourselves. And you know guys, if you can visit just one place in Nusa Penida, I think it has to be this one. to Atuh beach. If you're going to visit Diamond Beach as well, this spot is so close, you cannot miss it. This beach is very beautiful and it's much more comfortable for swimming than Diamond Beach.
This is the end of our 2-day trip to Nusa Penida. We weren't alone.
But it definitely felt like we fell in love with this island. It has so many beautiful places. We feel like 2 days isn't enough, so we're definitely going to come here one more time.
In this way, we're ending this video. If you liked it, please leave it a like. If you like the channel, please subscribe. And let us know in comments which place you like the most. We will see